To buy shares on Moomoo, start by downloading and installing the Moomoo app from the App Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing the required personal and financial information. Verify your account through the email or SMS sent by Moomoo. After verification, log into your account and fund it by transferring money from your bank account. The minimum deposit amount may vary, so check the Moomoo website for details. Once your account is funded, navigate to the trade section of the app and search for the stock you want to buy. Enter the stock symbol or name in the search bar and select the stock from the search results. Click on the Buy button and enter the number of shares you want to purchase. You can also set a limit price, which is the maximum amount you are willing to pay per share. Review your order carefully and confirm the details before submitting it. Moomoo will then execute your order and deduct the purchase amount from your account balance. You can monitor your portfolio and track the performance of your shares in the app. It is essential to understand the fees associated with buying shares on Moomoo, such as brokerage commissions and other charges. Make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions before making a trade. Additionally, set a budget and stick to it to avoid over-investing. To get the most out of Moomoo, take advantage of the app's features, such as real-time market data, news, and analysis. Stay informed about market trends and make informed investment decisions. Buying shares on Moomoo can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps and stay informed.